What up? What up? Okay. Alrighty. It's about time that we begin. That's okay, Lewis. I will spit on you next time, though. I've got a haircut in 2.5 hours, so I've got about 2 hours-ish. Kind of an ass time for a haircut, 4:30. But, you know. You know. Okay. We're back. Let's see. So, what have we got on the menu for today? We've got, this guy. We've got the Quantum Moon, and probably the end of the game, with the other way that I know how to play the game. Which is the Ash Twin into Vessel project. I wonder if I could tell anybody that Feldspar's alive. You tell me about the instruments, I think. Okay. Does anyone want to know about Feldspar? Like, someone would want to know. Like, I feel like I should be able to tell someone that I've met Feldspar. Might have been easier in the ship, honestly. There goes the Addle Rock. You'd care about Feldspar. You knew him. I wonder if I need to do this first. I'm just interested in if anyone wants to know about Feldspar. I feel like they would have some dialogue. Oh, my outfit is in tatters, dude. I truly am a common man. I'm wearing some socks, too. What happens if you run out of fuel in this area? Is that possible? Boom. There's oxygen, so you just start using that as fuel. Kind of fucking silly if you just, if you fucking suffocated down here. They just found your dead body because you ran out of fucking air. Actually, there should be air in here, right? Because you're on Timber Hearth. So maybe you couldn't suffocate. Maybe it would just deplete you. and then you could never run out of air. Alright, I did all this so that I could talk to you about Feldspar, so if I still can, I'm going to be upset. Boom. Okay, well, nice. Surely the guys at the observatory would have something to say. It's Hornfels and, like, Fartsucker or something, right? I found Feldspar. You found Feldspar and they're in Dark Bramble Stars above? This is wonderful news. Thank you. Thank you for finding them. That Feldspar didn't immediately join you on your ship and return here is incredibly Feldspar of them. We were never entirely sure what Feldspar was thinking back then either. Still, we ought to fish them out of that dreadful place with all haste. I'll radio Gosen and have them prepare a ship. Really should be Gosen who brings Feldspar home. Again, thank you. You can hardly imagine how profoundly happy I am to hear they're alive and unharmed. They don't question how I knew that, even though today was supposed to be my launch day. Alright. Well, whatever you say. Okay. All right. So I guess we'll just look over our notes, pore over our notes, maybe think about the quantum moon a little bit. Try to figure it out. Maybe go there. Quantum moon. I was able to land on the surface of the quantum moon. I found a dead Nomai in a spacesuit near the South Pole. A Nomai named Solanum landed her shuttle at the quantum moon's South Pole and prepared to make the rest of the journey on foot. Visitors to the quantum moon always arrive at the South Pole for reasons unknown to the Nomai. A Nomai shrine that wanders about the quantum moon. You have recalled the rule of quantum imaging is inscribed next to a mural of a tower on the island. So that rule is done. Recall the rule of quantum entanglement is inscribed next to a mural of a quantum shard in a cave. Recall the rule of the sixth location is inscribed next to a mural of a tower hanging above a black hole. Right, this is where you find each thing. So maybe it's about warping, since it's above the black hole. Quantum moon sometimes disappears, possibly to an unknown sixth location. Many Nomai went on a pilgrimage during which the quantum moon carried them to its sixth and most secret location. To explore the sixth location, the shrine on the quantum moon must be on the moon's north pole. Okay. To explore the sixth location, the shrine on the quantum moon must be on the moon's north pole. That doesn't mean that you have to be on the North Pole. It just means that the shrine on the quantum moon has to be on the North Pole. How would you know? Unsure. The fact that this is connected to the quantum moon makes me feel like it has to do something with warping. Quantum moon locator. My device created to track the quantum moon's location, and my hypothesized that the quantum moon might be a form of macroscopic quantum mechanics. The quantum moon travels to a total of 5 locations. That's a lie. Nomai built a shrine on the quantum moon to aid in the pilgrimage to its 6th location. Remember this final rule. To explore the 6th location, the shrine must be on the moon's north pole. Maybe reading the words on the Tower of Quantum Knowledge would help me remember. A huge cylindrical structure that generates a strong upward gravity field. I recall to know my shuttle from the quantum moon. This tower held knowledge Nomai needed to make his or her first quantum journey. Observing the quantum object, observing an image of a quantum object, these are the same. And a poem written on one of the trees in the grove. To travel with a quantum object, I must stand on the object and cease to observe my surroundings, meaning I must be in complete darkness. Coleus used this quantum rule to escape the cave he was trapped in. I can stand on the object. So maybe I can stand on the tower and then somehow be in darkness? Where's the quantum moon? Gotta find it before I can go to it. Also, they talked about how time and space operated a little funky in Dark Bramble, and I have a feeling that that might have something to do with it. I'm not quite sure. Okay. Should now be good to land on it. So where's the tower? It's a spaceship. I'm gonna need the tower at some point. There's the tower. You can't go on top of the tower. Presumably Solanum. Gotta find the tower. Gotta find the tower. Where's the tower? There it is. Okay. That's the tower. That is the Tower of Quantum Knowledge. And that's the Cave Shard. I'm assuming that won't do anything. Because why would it? We recall the rule of quantum imaging, recall the rule of six location, recall the rule of quantum entanglement. Timberhearth now. Dark Bramble. I never really explored Dark Bramble that well. The Dark Bramble Moon. I only wonder why there's so many fucking jellyfish. Works for me. The Bramble Moon is much bigger. So close to the North Pole, but not quite. It's icy, but not slippery. On the tower. I'm assuming the South Pole is going to have the dead body. Indeed. I wonder if I can keep my scout on it. Probably not, right? Because that'll mean that it's not going to move. So it's still in Brambleland. Weird. Sandland. Brambleland. Quantum Land. But we're not at the 6th location. Is there wind up there? Damn. Why is this Timberland so small? Usually much larger. I get forced away on this planet location. We're back. Can't shoot this though because it produces too much light. Oh, didn't mean to do that. The snapshot goes away too. My stipulated on Brittle Hollows. Moon. Or did it get fucked somehow? There's Solanum. Solanum ship. Well. Fuck. Yeah, I'm in the Pikmin ship. So it would appear that you can make it to the North Pole just from the Quantum Moon itself. Like, you can just go there and make it. Wait, what? How is my ship? Shut up. How's my ship here? So you can make it from the... You can make the trip from the moon, which I feel like is valuable information. A probe? Ouch. Never identified that, actually. Timber hearth. They're all lining up right now. Hmm. Unknown quantum fluctuations in there. Interesting. Probably Lewis. It's kind of what I'm envisioning. Also unknown? But I have the Grove Shard. Tower Shard. What's in this bitch? I'm fiending for anything quantum right now. Trying to learn everything. I feel like a turtle on its back. Oh. Hmm. Surface integrity 10. Okay. It'll allow me to find the Tower of Quantum Knowledge on the other side. And just reread what it has to say. Because this one, in particular, has to do with the rule of the 6th location. Oh! The Quantum Knowledge Tower stays here for much longer than I originally thought. Because the sun's looking big. Yeah, it's on its last round with the Interloper. Any day now. We want to just fall on in there. Jesus. 0. There it goes. We'll wait a second to follow it in. Okay, here we go. Boom. Is it normally upside down? You normally have to ascend. I would be going up. Hmm. Okay, we got a scroll. Correct. Nothing else. There's a projection stone around. I don't know where. I don't know why. If you're here to make your first pilgrimage to the Quantum Moon, you're almost prepared to set out on this deeply significant journey. Before you do, pause and remember your history. Make this journey not only for ourselves, but also to honor the members of the clan who came before us. After the crash that brought them into the star system, became shared on Brittle Hollow and on Ember Twin, with no communication between those two groups of survivors. These Nomai looked upward from two different planets, saw the same wandering moon visiting their skies. It was this moon, the Quantum Moon, that kept their curiosity alive. After the two divided groups were able to reunite, it became our clan's united goal to find and visit the Quantum Moon. This took time, and many Nomai who dreamed of seeing the Quantum Moon died before we discovered how to make the journey. When you reach the Quantum Moon, recall those Nomai and carry their curiosity onward with you. Okay. It's on Dark Bramble. Welcome, Solanum. Your arrival here means you've completed your preparations on Dying Steep and are ready to depart for the Quantum Moon. On your pilgrimage, the Quantum Moon will carry you, just as it carried me and many of our clan before me, to the Moon's sixth and most secret location. You'll be aided in your pilgrimage by the shrine our clan built in the Quantum Moon, but remember this final rule. To explore the sixth location, the shrine must be on the Moon's north pole. Be curious on your journey. So maybe you have to get it onto the North Pole before you make the jump. Because that's kind of what I'm gathering from that. Is the projection stone down here? What the fuck is the projection stone? Can you activate this? OMG, it'll take me to my ship. This will just tell me, learn about the quantum. Yeah. What projection stone is this? I forget. It's in Dark Bramble again. Okay. So go to the Quantum Moon and just be curious. Hmm. Okay. Let's go to the Quantum Moon. They built a lot of Quantum Moon locators. I guess they just built... No, never mind. They built one on Ember Twin and one on... Fuck Twin Quantum Knowledge shitface. Why is my scout going way out there? Undershot target, thanks. As they say, boo-womp. There's the probe. So I'm assuming that I have to be... The tower's got to be in the 6th location, or in the North Pole first. But I can apparently do everything I need to while I'm already here. So if I do that... I haven't taken a picture of it, so it can still move. Okay. Still be on it. Fucker. Gone. By Solinum's ship. Ah! Later. Oh, I can actually track my scout, right? Or no, I can't. These dots. Are the dots like potential spawn locations? I'm just now noticing these on the fucking map. It's not necessarily on the North Pole. %, fuel. Gets small. It's telling me where the tower is. A big dot means that the tower is there. It's behind me. There it is. See a big dot up here. Which means that it shouldn't move, right? Here's the thing. When I went to the Timber Hearth planet, when I was traveling around last loop, it put me in like a little alcove. And I thought that was weird. Because that was like an area that I hadn't been to, really. If I leave the planet and try to fly over, I'll just get sucked back to the South Pole. Shut up, pussy. I wonder if I need to go to a different planet's version of the quantum moon. And if that would give me a better chance to get up to the North Pole somehow. I don't know which one would do it, though. So if I do that, it'll start teleporting again. Oh, that dot is where my scout is. But since it's teleporting, it's moving. So that's a good way I can use to track it, I suppose. Is by looking at the map. There it is again behind me. Okay. Um... Well, my scout made it. Hey! Hey! Look at me! Look at me! Is that the South Pole? It's on the South Pole. Hmm. Hi, Stinky Head. Hmm. So it's not moving because I'm observing it. I know. So I don't think this will work just because I'm not on the I'm not on the North Pole. Fuck. Not necessarily what I wanted. No, probably not a good idea to bring Signy over. I technically don't need this light, really. I was just here. What am I doing? I can't see the tower. Is it gone? Bullshit. Hmm. Hmm. One sec. Sorry. Sorry. Okay, sorry. Um... I mean, so when I opened the door to the Timber Hearth one, it put me in a different place. Well, I guess I'll be in a different place again because... Like, I'm kind of caged in here, but that's not how it always is. Which makes me think that, like, if I go to a different location of Shrine and then come out of Timber Hearth, maybe I can go to a different part of Timber Hearth's moon. Oh, that makes that appear. Got it. If I come out here, and I let it move, and then I go over here, and then go back to Timber Hearth, I shouldn't still be in that cave. Or, well, I guess not really a cave. It should probably, like, spit me out. Timber Hearth. This is Timber Hearth. The ground is different, so it's maybe different. Yeah, I'm in more like of a cove this time. Or I was in a cove. Now this time I'm in more of like an open area. I don't like... I didn't know that there could be a geyser here. I didn't know if there was always... Like, I just noticed it with Timber Hearth's shrine locations. But I don't know if it's like that for other places. My fuel level is critical, though. I can't even remember what planet I landed from. I think it was like Brittle Hollow. Okay, we're on Giant's Deep. Not a fan of the Giant's Deep Quantum Moon area, but... you know. Yeah, the northern area over here is fucked by this thing. I feel like part of the secret... Can I walk in? Nope. I feel like part of it might be that you have to find it from Timber Hearth in particular. That would finally give Timber Hearth some fucking value. Quantum Moon has trees, so I don't have to worry about running out of air. Where's the fucking tower? No, don't go in there. You stupid asshole. So right now my game plan is basically just to look and see the different areas of Timber Hearth that I can land on. Because, like, Giant's Deep... This should just be the rock. Giant's Deep is, like, mostly open, so I feel like it's not going to matter where I come out of. But on Timber Hearth, it's like... It might just put me into, like, a different cave section. Where maybe something will be different. Well, this might be different. Hang on, let me take a picture of this. Does this area have trees? I don't think this area has trees, but for some reason I still have air. Yeah, I think this area is mostly the same, too. I forgot to take a fucking picture. Don't matter. I'll just go to Timber Hearth from here. So, I think Brittle Hollow is the same. I think Giant's Deep is the same. Yeah, like the middle, the almost equator area, like just south of the equator area of Timber Hearth, moves the shrine to this cave area. I keep saying cave, but I mean to say cove. Sun's gonna blow up soon. Dark Bramble, I think, is mostly the open area too. I don't know if that changes. Yeah, this is a huge open area, so I don't know how this would change. Acton's in jail. God, I feel like I'm just fucking... I feel like this is so fucking wrong. Because, like, I don't even have a thought process, really. I'm just going to the different fucking planets and seeing if anything's different. Because I'm not even seeing if anything is different, because I know that Timber Hearth is different sometimes. But that's literally just based on where you come out of. Ugh, God. I hate not solving puzzles. It fucking gives me the biggest headache. I have 4 messages on Discord. None of them are important. Just to making sure. Oops. Yeah, I'm standing, you know me. They call me the stander. So at least I've seen outside the Quantum Tower or the Quantum Shrine on the moon in the 6th location. I saw a man. Don't know if he's alive. Wait, how come I it wasn't losing oxygen on the Quantum Moon, but when I went over there without my suit on, I started suffocating? Where is it? Where is the moon? Where is the freaking moon? I would think it would have been around Brittle Hollow. Might be on the 6th location, haha. Where the fuck is it? It's Giant Steeped. Should be gone now, though. It is. Where did you suffocate? I can't remember. I can't remember which specific location. But I got out without my suit, and my guy was like, I'd test it right now if I could, find it. Oh, there it is. Aligning flight trajectory. Accelerating towards destination. Why? Fuck! And it stays now because there's a picture on the screen. I'm sure the sun's gonna be a fucking bastard about this. Sure is. Oh, you're not aligned. Fuck. I really want to just fucking nail it. God, I've wasted so much fucking time. Actually just getting to the fucking moon. Hurry up, dick face. I've only got an hour before I gotta get off for me haircut. Firing retro rockets. Ouch. So we're on that. Yeah, the Ember Twin, Ash Twin ones. Should also be mostly an open area. Right? This area is honestly pretty small because the mountains close in pretty early. Yeah, this is mostly an open area too. So the only thing that I can think to do is just fucking just keep going to Timberhearth and maybe I'll fucking go somewhere different. Different enough that I can like explore or something. Give me the grass. So I should be in the cove because I'm in the fucking... Yeah, I'm in the cove. Wait, am I? I'm in a cove. I think it looks different than usual. So close this bitch. And now I need to get out, go to a different location. Wait, fuck. I didn't mean to do this. Go to a different location. Get back in. And then switch it over to Timberhearth. That's my current game plan. I don't know if it's a good one, but it is certainly the idea that I have right now. I'm probably not going to make any fucking progress. Honestly, if I can't figure out this puzzle, I don't know what I'm going to do. I can maybe ask for, like, some hints to just nudge me along in the right-ish direction until I fucking get it, but I don't want to be like a little bitch boy. Where the fuck is the stupid-ass tower? I should stick my scout on it so I can fucking see it teleport on the globe. Where are we? We're on the Quantum Moon. Specifically the Dark Bramble Quantum Moon. So B, I've been streaming for about an hour. I've learned nothing. I've done nothing. But I've basically come to the conclusion... What is this? I've basically come to the conclusion that since Solanum, basically the way that some of the inscribings were written, it makes me think that you're meant to make the journey to the 6th location once you're already on the Quantum Moon and you don't need anything else. So you just go there with nothing, have nothing prepared, and then go to the 6th location. So, I'm not trying to go anywhere else. I'm just trying to fucking find how to get to the 6th location from here. I can't find the stupid fucking shrine. I'm gonna be honest. I actually have no idea where it is. Actually, so what I've been thinking is that, like, something that they said that I just reread was that the shrine will assist you in getting to the 6th location. But if it says assists you, then that should mean that you don't need it. Because how would they have gotten to the 6th location in the first place without the tower being built? I can't find the fucking shrine. I'm sorry. Pen is hungry? Oh my god. Feed her. Oh, there it is. Tony Ann is private streaming. I don't need that, actually. I need this closed, is what I need. What is Pen gonna eat? Is it gonna be pasta or, like, macaroni or something? Okay. Did I do something wrong? Was the game telling me no? Because I don't know what I did differently. Okay, so I'm assuming you guys... Alright. The guy that I'm playing as has a heart condition. that's triggered by something. I don't know what. Maybe being a fucking moron. That didn't happen to me? Well, it must just be me then. Suppose I could use this to find the quantum. Quantum shard. It's not on. It's the Grove shard. So the 6th location must be out of quantum reading range. Oh, you better fucking still be there, I swear to God. Yeah, baby. No warp core yet. My issue with the warp core is that... Why the fuck would we go to Target? My issue with the warp core, looks like a solar eclipse, is that I need to get inside of Ash Twin. And I just don't know how. Basically, the 2 mysteries that I'm trying to solve right now are how to do the Quantum Moon and how I should get inside of Ash Twin. Because once I get inside of Ash Twin, then I can just get the warp core and go back to the vessel. But... as you know, I don't know how to get inside of Ash Twin yet. So I need to figure out how to do that. I'm thinking maybe the Quantum Moon will teach me a little something something. If you have any ideas about how to get inside of Ash Twin, you let me know, but okay. I have a feeling that's what happened to me. At this point, Ekton, probably. What's going on with my game? You know, my ship has had a very, very bad track record. Oh, my ship got fucked. Okay, well. I don't know if there's even a point in me fucking fixing this. Dude, my whole ship got fucking obliterated. My ship is just completely fucked. I'm surprised that the ship didn't just fucking break apart. Okay, so if I take this to Timber Hearth, it's gonna take me to the cove, I think. I don't want to do Dark Bramble. Let me just check Timber Hearth first. So this is the cove. No, it's not the cove. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Okay. It's the different one with the geyser. This is the only thing that I can think of about the Quantum Moon that's different about Timber Hearth only. Is that it has different fucking areas. So, the thing is, I don't know how to fucking piece this together at all. But, like, maybe it has something to do with something? Ash Twin's too small. I think Giant's Deep is a decent candidate for exploring and getting to a different area, because it's so big. There's the ship. So if I can find this bitch... Okay, I found this bitch. Just don't fucking, like, explode or something, please. I'm fucking begging. I closed my eyes and just fucking died. Alright, so now we're looking to go back to Timber Hearth. Timby. Timby Wimby. Oh, also B, I somehow, I think it was a glitch. I fucking bugged my, my camera, or my scout, and got it above, the tower, the shrine. And then when I warped to the, 6th location, it just took my scout off the shrine and showed me, like, some guy. So... Wait. Huh? Huh? Was that it? What? I don't even know how I solved it. So, was that it? Was you just had to go to Timber Hearth? At, like, a specific... Oh, that's probably what it was. So my idea was kind of right, how Timber Hearth spits you out in different spots. You probably have to go to a northmost point, right? Because the Timber Hearth is probably cut, like, at the equator. Like, hang on. Let's keep it here. I want to kind of show my thought process. If I go down to the equator, there's probably some mountains. Yeah! So if you go above the equator and then transport to Timber Hearth... Right. Okay, that actually makes sense. I accidentally solved it. Nice! You almost did it multiple times. I don't think it matters where you start. It absolutely matters where you start. I know for a fact it does. Because it keeps your position on the planet the same. So what does the North Pole look like on other planets? I'm kind of interested. Or is it just going to send me to the 6th location? Okay. Like, what would Ash Twin look like? I'm kind of interested in this. Because now that I know the solution, I kind of... Oh, this one's kind of boring. Okay. If I go to Dark Bramble and there's a fucking anglerfish, I think I might just fucking kill myself. So how did the Nomai do this before the shrine was built? Because this doesn't seem possible. This should be inside the tornado, right? Yep. They built the shrine. Yeah, but like, how did they know to build the shrine and use it in this way? Because it says that they use it to assist in the journey, not that you need it for the journey. Because obviously someone had to have been to the 6th location before they built this. I'm beginning to believe that there's not really much on these planets aside from the shrine on the 6th location. Maybe they just closed their eyes. Yeah, maybe they did. Maybe they weren't bound to a video game and they could just close their fucking eyes. That makes sense. Dark Bramble's the only one that we haven't been to. Aside from the 6th location. Yeah, okay. Sure. Okay, here we go. Stay here, pussy. Actually, I don't want that huge thing taking out my screen. Okay. Yeah, if you go up too high, it just blows you away. I guess I'll just leave him there. Yeah, it's gone. Oh my god, it's a little butthole. So I should be next to the Eye of the Universe, right? It's got a straight shot to the South Pole, huh? What the fuck? Emergency Scout Recall. Okay, that doesn't happen when fucking... Yeah, my scout... When I shot my scout out of the fucking tower before, it just saw this. I was like, oh, there's some fucking guy here. What? I thought you were dead. Okay. Who are you? Okay. What are you doing? Okay. Thanks. Okay. Solanum. These are the two tenets of Nomai philosophy: to seek out and to understand is our way of living. I am on my first pilgrimage to the Quantum Moon. All Nomai and my clan make this journey when we come of age. Even though the Eye cannot be reached from here, the Quantum Moon remains special to us, as it carries us nearer to the Eye than any other place we know. I've journeyed here to be close to the Eye. While the Eye is obscured from our sight, we can see the Quantum Moon's reflection of the Eye in the sky above us. Wait. I am on my first pilgrimage? But the Nomai died like 200,000 years ago, allegedly. So time in the Quantum Moon must be completely fucked then. You. Me. Yeah, there are multiple generations of Nomai. I guess we didn't really know how old Solanum is. Whatever. I imagine your purpose here is the same as mine, to learn about and define the Eye of the Universe. I'm unsure how you arrived here, however. Perhaps you came from another star system, as my clan originally did? Have you encountered a quantum shard on another planet? The shards look the same as the Quantum Moon surface does now, while at the Eye. From this, we can reasonably infer the Quantum Moon's natural state is as we see it now, and that is that the Eye is its primary location. Given that the Quantum Moon is the Eye's moon, it's likely that any characteristics the moon exhibits are also exhibited by the Eye itself. The Quantum Moon and its shards, for instance, are quantum. Thus, the Eye is likely also quantum. In fact, this moon is probably quantum because its proximity to the Eye made it quantum. The same way the areas surrounding quantum shards that landed on other planets eventually became quantum too. Yeah, because it's not just the shards that are quantum in the like weird places, it's like other things that start moving too. So quantum things spread to other quantum things. Or spread to regular things, making them a quantum. God, the fucking word quantum is going to become so tiresome. So do you need... I'm assuming you need a yellow one and a blue one. This would be Quantum Moon, me. Oh, this works. Is this your first time on the Quantum Moon? It's my first time here. If you've come here looking for answers, I hope you find them. Okay. So let's finish explain. Explain Eye of the Universe. There is fundamental uncertainty throughout the universe. Normally, this uncertainty is only observable on a very small scale. As one approaches the eye, however, that uncertainty grows enormously. The quantum moon probably exhibits microscopic quantum behavior because of its proximity to the eye. Shards that broke off from the quantum moon have a similar effect, as I imagine you've seen elsewhere in the star system. Conscious observation forces a quantum object to collapse to a single possibility. But what would happen if a conscious observer somehow entered the eye itself? Over time, this has become my clan's greatest question. So the eye is a location? I thought they referred to it as a signal at first. Identify me. I've never met one of your kind before. It's an honor to speak with you. I particularly admire your fur eyes. There are many questions I would ask if I could comprehend your language. You have my gratitude for understanding mine. You're nice. You're a female too, I think, with 3 fingers. Identify Quantum Moon. This is the Quantum Moon, where we both are standing. Despite also orbiting other celestial bodies, the Quantum Moon is the Eye of the Universe's moon. Okay, thanks. Identify you. You. I'm Solanum, a Nomai. My clan arrived in the star system before my birth, and we now call it home. Identify Eye of the Universe. We are orbiting the Eye of the Universe now, although we cannot see it, only the Quantum Moon's reflection of it. The Eye is older than the universe itself, and my clan believes it dwells in an extremely distant orbit around the star system. Why did I start flying? Okay. I've done the others. Me. Quantum Moon. Me, Quantum Moon. Oh, I've already been here. Yeah, I've done that one. Me, you. We do not have much connection, you and I. Still, this encounter feels special. I hope you won't mind if I think of you as a friend. Okay, alright, okay. Fair enough. Me, Eye of the Universe. We should be really far from the sun, so if the sun blows up, what happens? Suppose you could reach the Eye of the Universe. Would you try to enter it? What do you imagine the effects of a conscious observer might be? Fuck knows, man. Quantum Moon. You. Like many of my clan before me, I journeyed here to see the Quantum Moon's reflection of the eye. This is the closest any of us have come to seeing the eye itself. You may think I'm strange, but I have a hypothesis that I may not be entirely alive. Perhaps my journey has reached its end. Yeah, because you're dead. Elsewhere. I'm me, he says. Quantum Moon, Eye of the Universe. I imagine you noticed the Quantum Moon changes in appearance depending on which location it is currently orbiting. For instance, the moon looks quite different when orbiting Giant Steep than it does when orbiting the Hourglass Twins. Because the quantum moon clearly changes in its different forms, the eye, being this moon's primary location, must be similarly malleable. From this, we can hypothesize that the eye represents extreme changeability. That said, despite its malleable nature, the quantum moon becomes locked to one specific version of itself when it is consciously observed. What would happen if a conscious observer were to enter the eye? You keep asking this. You. Eye of the universe. Many of my clan have believed the eye called to us for a particular purpose. When I was a child, I used to believe the eye was malevolent, to have lured my clan to the star system, only to then vanish from them so completely. But I don't fear the eye anymore. In fact, it became my fondest hope to see the eye itself someday, but I fear this may be beyond my reach. You may think I'm strange, but I have a hypothesis that I'm not entirely alive. Okay. Is that it, then? That's it, then, huh? I can't really see it. Am I done with you, Solanum? Can't check how much time I have left. Okay. Can I steal his stone? Oh. Fuck, this would have been easier. Shit! Fuck. Dumbass. I don't like that. Alright. Anything else to do here? I came from this way. I don't think there's a different path or anything, though. And the quantum moon does not like me leaving this location. It pushes me back down. Well, it would appear that there's only one way to go. You feel? Off we go into the unknown. Okay. Well. Solanum is dead now. Oh, you think the sun's gonna kill me? Bodo, I got news for you. Oh, I'm alive. Shit. If someone was to watch me come out of the quantum moon, what would they see? God, you go so fucking slowly without your fucking jetpack. Boo, boo, boo. No! Shirt. It's been an honor. Ryback. I died first somehow. Okay. God. So, I mean, we learned something, but, like, also nothing. You probably could do Ashwin now that I think about it, Lewis. You probably could go to the north thing from Ashwin. Sixth location. We didn't really do anything else, no. We got sucked through the hole. And then it sent us back to Timberhearth. Quantum Moon. I met a living Nomai named Solanum at the South Pole. The Quantum Moon is the eye of the universe's moon. At this location, the Quantum Moon becomes a reflection of the eye itself. The eye is likely the source of all macroscopic quantum phenomena in the solar system. Solanum wonders what would happen if a conscious observer were to enter the eye. Solanum has a hypothesis that she may not be entirely alive. That's it, huh? Okay. So that was the extent of the knowledge that I grabbed. I still have no fucking idea how to get to the center of Ash Twin. Unless you take a warp tower there. But I have no fucking idea where the warp tower would be. No to Dark Bramble. But I don't know about the other ones. That is the Quantum Moon. Did I even learn anything there? I don't know. Some other idea that I've had about, that I've been thinking of is the masks. You know how sometimes we get a projection stone and it brings you to the Ash Twin and you see the masks looking at you? I wonder if it's like the Skyrim masks where you gotta hit them all, and then once you get them all, something happens. Seems a little silly, but at this point I don't fucking know. Yeah, I know, Lewis. I think I'll do that. Shirt, where the fuck you at? Oh, at least he keeps on jamming out. I'll wait. I feel like a teacher in second grade. I'll wait. Alright. What is that? Oh, that's just the tower, right? Probably. I think this planet would run out of fucking sand faster. Even if I could warp to the center of Ashton, I feel like it would be misguided, right? Because, like... I've read before that the center is really between the two planets because they count as one astrological body. So if you warp to it, you don't really warp to Ash Twin. God, it's crazy how big the sun gets. What is this? Where does this take you? What if I should take each of the warp towers and just see where each one takes me? This one's broken. Oh no, this one takes you to the sun station. Yeah. Actually, what I said before about teleporting to the middle doesn't necessarily have to be true. Because they did say that there was a 5-degree angle that you could teleport and it would be still mostly accurate. Or like something like that. God, I want to park my fucking ship somewhere safe, but nowhere's fucking safe. So just put it right here. Oop. Oh, Steven. Shut up. I hate you. Oh, dead guy. I think this is broken, so I doubt it could take me anywhere. I guess you spin so fast on the planet that it doesn't really matter, because you can find something eventually. I don't think this will take me anywhere, but I want to try the other one, too. Bum, bum. Oh, shit. And the sun is still really far away. Did you finish the quantum stuff? Please. What do you think of me? Please. You think I wouldn't finish the quantum stuff? No, this can't take you to Dark Bramble. There's no warp tower there. I don't think. Stupid asshole. Oops. Oh, man. Ow. Where could this send me? And where's the scroll? Oh, that's the Whitehall Station. So what do you know about the warp towers? I mean, I should know everything. I've probably forgotten a lot of shit. But I know that they built a lot of warp towers on Ash Twin to just quickly get between places. Okay, so maybe this one doesn't work at all. Because I feel like that should have warped me to something. I think I went through all the planets. Oh, what is this one? Is this Timber Hearth? This is probably Timber Hearth, if I had to guess. Right? Because each warp tower is based on the planet that it sends you to. So this should send me. Whoop. Yes, sir. It's a nice feature that it sends you right back. Okay. Big ol' sun. This one is 2 floors. Fucking hello? Yeah, this one's probably... I was gonna say, since this one is two floors... So this one should send me to the Black Hole Forge. You know. As I probably should have figured out, you know, when I was going to the Black Hole Forge. Oh, okay. So I can't jump. Oh, sand, though. Yeah, for real, though. Elpag. Not cool. I hope you drink salami for dinner. Which one is this? Why is this one giant steep? Yeah, I don't know, Lewis. That was embarrassing. Just don't do it again, Lewis, okay? This is the sun station. So, F this one. No! This one goes back to Timber Hearth. So... Is it these fucking big things, then? Because I never really explore these that much. I mean, I've gone into them at the bottom, but... Nothing on this one, huh? Sends you on up to the top. Big. Yo, this just sends you up. What the funk? Ow. This looks like the glowy shit that you see whenever you teleport using the projection stones. So this is likely correct in saying that this is the core. That also goes up. Three minutes of oxygen. Say bye. Goes up. I say this is going to be Chert, but it's not Chert. Is there something special about this north and south towers? I can't remember. I can't remember where they're supposed to send you. I've only got one more before I gotta go to my haircut. Well, one more full-length one, because I can skip at the bonfire. Oh. Maybe I should reread the towers. Ashwin Towers. Several large Nomai towers form a ring around Ashtwin's equator. The Whitehall Station would use the model for these towers, which were built for the Ashtwin project. So the towers were built for the Ashtwin project. Not for just regular transportation. The central chamber inside Ash Twin was physically sealed off by an immensely thick protective shell. The Nomai planned to construct technology capable of producing a 22 negative time interval on Ash Twin. Every memory recorded by a Nomai statue is transmitted to a corresponding storage unit within Ash Twin. An advanced warp core was approved for installation in the central chamber of Ash Twin. What is that green guy? I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. We'll just say my ass and call it a day. A warp tower's alignment point is not its warp receiver. Rather, a warp tower always aligns with the center of its corresponding astral body. The warp receiver must be located on or in close orbit around the relevant astral body. The Hourglass Twins are so close together that they function as a single astral body with a shared alignment point in between them. All of the warp towers were being constructed on Ash Twin, while the 6 warp receivers were being constructed at different locations. What are the warp receivers? Sun Station, Timberhearth, Brittle Hollow, Giant's Deep, those are the 4 that I took, right? I don't know if Ember Twin has one. Does Ember Twin have one? You can't really warp from Ember Twin to Ash Twin or Ash Twin to Ember Twin, in my mind, because they share the same astral body alignment point. Alignment angle diagram. A diagram depicting the alignment angle between a warp tower and its corresponding astral body. Warp tower alignment angles are not exact. They only need to be within 5 degrees of the astral body's center. This results in slightly longer warp windows that last roughly several seconds. Anyone stepping onto the warp platform during the active window will be immediately warped. So, like, I don't know if that's like a hint, or if it's just that explaining how a warp tower works. Thanks, fish. Where are the mask projection stones for Ash Twin? Nomai successfully reproduced the temporal anomaly first observed in the White Hole Station. Warped objects appear to arrive before they depart. The Nomai discovered they could increase the negative time interval between arrival and departure by adding energy to the warp cores. The Nomai wanted to know if a 22-minute negative time interval was possible. They concluded it would require new technology to produce the necessary energy, as well as an advanced warp core to handle those energies. The Ash Twin supposed location. Or I could do like a physical honk with myself. Honk! My statues were designed to pair with a single user, record the memories, and send those memories to the storage unit within the Ash Twin project. Each storage unit inside the Ash Twin project was equipped with a mask, the statue's counterpart, which could then send those stored memories back to the corresponding user. The statues were designed to only activate once the Ash Twin project succeeded, or in the event that it failed. Count. God. My mind ore from this site to craft a protective shell designed to physically seal off the central chamber inside Ash Twin. Once the shell was finished, then I might check to ensure there were no longer any physical species or the word beneath it, entrances or cracks. Ore samples from the Nomai mines on Timber Hearth were sent to this volcano for durability testing. The Nomai were trying to craft a briefly new supernova-proof shell to encase the Ash Twin project. So, I mean, like, this tells me that there's no way to get in. There's no way to get in. Designs for the warp towers. Each of the warp towers on the Twins equator. Each tower warps to a different planet, although many Nomai were quick to note that the sun is not actually a planet. Each tower designed to visually represent its warp destination. The towers allowed the Nomai to quickly travel between Ash Twin and all other locations crucial to the Ash Twin project. The sun, Ash and Ember Twin, I'm assuming Brittle Hollow. Go to your house. Where's my house? Is it down here? I don't see it. Maybe I just didn't try hard enough. No, I still don't see it. Maybe I need to fracture the screen into 17 different directions to find it. Hang on, guys. I can do this. Fuel tank damaged. My ship appears to now be healthy. It cannot take any more damage. Here, let me try this. You saw the satellite? I did! I can't fly anymore. Hang on, 1 second. I can fix this. What did you do on Quantum Moon? I went there. And I was like, hello, Quantum. No, this is Space Tech. If you angle yourself directly at the center of Timber Hearth and not hit a tree, I need to not hit a tree, is basically the hard part here. There we go. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You got this. You got this, baby. If you hit the center, what happens? You'll see. Also, mod, no, I have not. Here we go. Ugh. This annoying beeping is back. Come on. What are you doing? I'm finding my house. Here we go. I'm home. I did it. You don't have a house, I lied.